Hello, my friends. Well, it looks like some people are having some trouble with these JLab earbuds, figuring out how to plug them in. So there's this little cable that's attached here at the bottom. It just pulls out. And I know it doesn't look like a regular USB, but that's exactly what it fits into. It fits into a USB port. And USB meaning universal, right? So you plug it into your laptop. I did a video showing that. See how it's charging now. But people got confused. What if I don't have a laptop? How else can I plug it in? Well, I think people might be overthinking this a little bit, but here's the deal. Do you have a cell phone? Okay, so if you have a cell phone, you probably came with a charger like this. So this kind of charger usually has a USB slot right there. See it? Two pieces. You pull that out, and I'm pretty sure Apple or Android both have the same USB kind of slot here. And then just plug that sucker right in there like that. See? And then plug it in. And now you're charging. There you go. Hope that answers your questions. If you have any more, please put them in the comments below, because that's how I learn. And have a great day. See if you can help somebody else. Smashing like for me really helps me. Thanks. Take care.